for heals.
I'll send you Drake.
My reprisal. Stack first, homies first. Darkest stance soon.
Into the star.
Facing her this way first.
I'm gonna send you Knights.
It's too slow, sorry.
It's okay, it's okay.
Moving. Basic. Heart of Light. My reprisal.
Fast ice.
I got B.
Closed towers.
Close towers. Center up. Again.
Healers have eyes.
I'll go to 2.
Alright.
Grab towers. Homies. Homies.
1, 2, 3. Divination.
Embolden.
Singular.
Three side.
Super Blade. 1, 2. Rejoining party. Prizal. Get ready to stack. Stack up. Spread. Back center.
I got Lucan.
Get a pointer at A this time. Alright.
Orient on your spot. Wind first, DPS out.
Yep. Place your debuffs.
Gaze and
Gaze and flares, gaze and flares.
Players.
that's
Yeah.
the word.
And then spread, spread. And look out when you're...
Spread and look out.
Yeah, look out. Play safe.
Easy.
Boom. Boom.
Middle for heals. 2, 3. Divination's up.
Embolden.
I have a sprint this time. It should be kick.
Gonna let the star pop.
Stay here.
Like, super safe.
Play safe, play safe.
Okay.
On her edge.
Hitbox.
This
Get
one,
in.
this one, this one, this one. I got it. Moving.
Okay.
Takes literally all of my concentration to look for that. Sorry.
Focus, focus.
Stack.
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 Red.
Kind of.
I got Lucan.
Can you LB?
Pulsar.
Yeah, 1 second.
I'm just gonna get her not awkwardly.
Copy the star.
Not gonna center her perfectly, but I'm just gonna get her awkwardly out of that.
Make sure you orient yourself.
Look to your side.
Look at your side.
DPS have fire, no swap. Rinse group on A. Wind out. Double wind.
Double wind out.
Rotate. Move and look out.
Out.
1.
Self heals.
Smashed it already.
3.
I'm Vercuring with all I got, Captain.
Pot window.
Cure 3 in the middle
Middle.
first.
Hot.
I'm gonna do 2 of them. And
In for the heals.
Good. Have a star
Keep her
here.
face- I'll keep her face this way, fuck it.
Okay,
She'll
watch
turn.
the center. It's
Burn.
going to B. Going to 2, get out of middle. We're going to the left. Get
Okay.
mid. Wait.
Left.
Middle. I mean left.
We're good.
Okay.
We're good.
It's okay. It's okay.
Cure
Perfect.
3 in the middle.
Alright.
Cure 3.
Mika,
Focus on
Mika, Mika.
mitigation.
Stay calm.
What?
Just do your mitigation.
I pop away.
Away from Mika, right?
Away from Mika.
This-
Away
Away
from
from
Mika.
Mika,
Black
correct.
Halo.
Get on
Black
the butt.
Halo.
Away from Mika.
Just breathe. Focus on mitigation.
Voking. Just DPS Mika, I got that.
Shielding.
Terminal mitigation.
Please
Alright,
remember all your
I'm gonna
mitigation.
tank LB early, and I'm gonna reprisal.
Addle.
Shockwave 1 mitigation. Shockwave 2 mitigation.
Heart of Light. Got it.
Shockwave 3 mitigation.
Stay to reprisal.
Embolden.
No
Definitions
more
out.
incoming damage, just DPS.
DPS.
Kill it. Kill it.
We
kill
got
it, kill
this.
it. Please, 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 please.
Come on.
Come on, please.
Point.
Oh my fucking! Holy!
Okay, we're gonna do loot, and I'm gonna go fucking pee because I held that the entire lockout.
Everyone shut up.
Got it.
Loot, and then we can talk and scream. Shut up first.
Yeah, just stay calm.
Oh,
Holy fuck.
Alright, Barry, I got
I'm
a question for
shaking.
you, alright?
What?
What got you pumping more? That or final phase of Tanix day 1?
What do we got?
This.
We got the
I don't know. Tanix had some
Okay,
fucking...
shh. Let's do the loot because like we don't want to get
Hey.
kicked out.
Kane goes to Rin.
Wait,
and then
what?
the cop- We got the Kane. Kane goes to Rin. Weapon coffer goes to Blueberry, and then I think the chest goes to either Lucan or Knights, right?
Or we could do
Or
chest to
blueberry chest,
weapon to
and
me,
then
it's up to
yeah.
you guys.
I already needed the weapon.
Yep.
Sorry.
Weapon to blue. Weapon to blue.
Okay, weapon to
I'll pass
blueberry.
the chest.
And then
And
Kane
then-
to Rin, obviously.
Yeah. Oh my
Wine of
god,
diet.
Poggies.
Yeah, give me that guy minion, please. I need it.
I think I need it too. I don't know.
And then need on the mount minion.
Oh my
item.
god!
Yeah, everyone need on the
Yeah.